Hey guys, I'm Roxette Arisa and you're watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. So if you know me, you know I love sleep. I'm all about naps. So today we thought that we would talk to you guys about some beauty products that are going to maximize your beauty sleep. So first off, we have this product right here, which is actually a hair care product. It's from Briogeo and it's called the Don't Despair Repair Gel to Oil Overnight Repair Treatment. This is amazing because it strengthens the hair, really moisturizes the hair, and increases the elasticity of the hair. And if you could see here, it really is a gel formula that turns into a super luxurious moisturizing oil, and it's super easy to use. All you have to do is kind of just massage the treatment into your scalp and let it transform your hair from the root to the tips to the ends, and sleep in it and then rinse it out in the morning and your hair will be revived. And then next up, I always do this. I always apply a lip balm before I go to sleep. I feel like I can't even go to sleep without applying some sort of lip treatment. And this one is the perfect one to use because it's called the Clinique Pep Start Pout Restoring Night Mask. So this one is kind of like a mini makeover for your lips. It's really, really cool because it gives you just soft, plump, moisturized lips. It's all about getting that moisturization in your skin, hair, your lips at night while you're sleeping so that when you wake up, you can feel radiant and glowy and hydrated. And you can also use this during the day if you want to really get that oomph, even in a shorter time period. Maybe even before applying a lipstick, you could put this on, let your lips moisturize a bit, and then apply your lipstick. And then moving on, this is one of my favorite things to do is use eye masks, just because I feel like they really wake you up. They kind of can combat dark circles or puffiness under the eyes, and this one is to be used at night. So this is the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Concentrated Recovery Eye Mask. So this is a really cool one because you actually kind of have to saturate the little gel patch yourself. So you can see that the serum is here at the bottom, and you kind of take your fingers and press it into the container where the patch is. It's highly saturated, and these are also great for when you need to fake a full night's sleep. You can put this on in the morning and give your eyes a refreshed, awakened look. And you only have to use these once a week because they're so powerful and they're gonna help your under eyes so much. Now moving on, we have the Luna Sleeping Night Oil from Sunday Riley. This is kind of like a cult favorite just because it's so powerful and it was so innovative when it first launched. So this is an oil, so it's again gonna give you lots of moisturization and just really get your skin looking glowing and radiant. But this particular one addresses fine lines and wrinkles, it reduces the appearance of pores, and it can even help with anti-aging. And it's actually blue when you apply it, and then when you rub it in, it turns transparent, but it really does transform the skin, and it has a really nice chamomile scent, perfect for getting a good night's rest. Then I wanted to tell you guys about some pillowcases, because if you don't know, pillowcases are actually important because they can also help with anti-aging, especially this one right here, which is called Slip. So this is a pure silk pillowcase. I have it outside of the box already. Boom, the magic of production. So this one, you can say goodbye to bedhead, and this silk pillowcase actually reduces friction and it minimizes the tugging on your skin and your hair, so hopefully you won't be losing as much hair. If you're like me, I wake up and there's like hair all over the bed and it's not cute, right? So hopefully you'll lose less hair with this guy, and also it's not as rough on your skin. And then I have a second pillowcase, boom, power production ×2, but this is a really cool one. This is the Déjà skincare pillowcase, and if you know me, you guys, if you follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, you know that I always fall asleep with my makeup on. So this was so cool to me because it has little pages on it. So you just kind of untie this ribbon. Let's say you fall asleep with your makeup on and you get your pillowcase dirty. We've all been there. We all have seen those makeup skid marks on our pillowcases. All you have to do is turn the page and you've got a brand new spanking white, clean, non-germy pillowcase that you can sleep on. So you can do that until you wash it, and then all the sheets will be clean again. So I feel like this is a really cool one to do, and you can do 8 nights of perfectly clean sleep, which I think is amazing. And this also reduces the exposure to acne bacteria, or even just dirt, germs, like I said. dust, you know, all the things that we don't want to be putting all over our face. So tell us in the comment section below, which of these sleep saviors do you want to try out? And do we have any that we forgot about that you guys love? Let us know in the comment section below. That is all we have time for today. I'm Roxette Arisa, and thanks for watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY.